Hello guys. Which dog should we get? We should get a Maltese reborn puppy. No. Should we get a Maltese puppy and a golden doodle, or a golden doodle, or a Labrador retriever? Tell me in the comments, please.
And what is this story about?
It's this dog, this puppy, Peppy.
Peppy. Hello, I'm Peppy.
She missed this dog.
I did.
Very much. And from the vacation, then for a very long time, then we came back. It's always her, and it's the mom and daughter day. Enjoy the show. Enjoy the story.
Oh, you're back. How was your vacation?
Good.
I love vacations myself. It was good. What did you like about it?
We going camping. We stayed until after Christmas. How about Christmas? I think we went swimming.
Oh yeah, swimming is fun.
We went to the
I
beach.
love the doggy paddle.
We went to the beach.
Whoa, the beach. Really?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you need to focus on the animal.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what are we going to do for Mama Daughter Day?
We should go on vacation.
Another vacation? Really?
Maybe we should go to Hawaii.
Whoa. That's a long way away. Ah, yep. Not a long way from where we're at.
Which is closer to Hawaii?
California, but we don't live there.
We do.
I don't. I live in a cold place called... I have no idea what this place is called.
California?
No, not California.
This is California in the story. And
What?
is this California, Peppy, Mama?
What, you want to swim there? I don't think so. It's too far away. Let's go.
You live in California.
I say we go to the park. We can catch some frisbees.
Hawaii.
How are we going to get to Hawaii? We don't have no money. We're just animals.
But
What do you think about that?
The dog Hawaii.
Oh.
This is close to us.
She's just little. Just ignore her.
Let's go to dog Hawaii.
I think we're here.
We are here.
Now we get to do our dance. The Peppy dance. Step to the right, step to the left, step to the right, step to the left. Do the Peppy dance, do the Peppy dance. Throw your ears around and do the Peppy dance. Whoa, don't call me Peppy, I'm Mama.
I know you smacked your feet on my face.
Oh, sorry. That's because it's a Peppy dance, and when you do the Peppy dance, you half.
You hurt my
Move your
face.
face all over. Move your feet all over.
Mama, I'm a puppy.
I know. I'm sorry. Lick, 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 lick.
Kiss.
Thank you. Now, me and my baby's gonna get a picture. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Woo. That was hard to get a picture.
Let's go into doctor's tail.
Go where?
The dog hotel.
Go to the dog hotel. Yeah, we're going to the dog hotel.
Hotel for dog.
Hotel. We're going to the dog hotel, my fair lady. We're going to go to the dog hotel. Dog hotel. Dog hotel. We're going to the dog hotel, my fair lady. Here we are at the dog hotel. I'm gonna sing and dance today. What about you, baby?
Round two backflips.
Wow.
Front flips. Twist flips. Back twist flips. Doing the dance. Doing the dance. Flying in the air. In the air. Remember, we went to the, what call it, the North Pole.
I know, we went to the North Pole before. We met Santa Claus, all the elves. Oh, and I got a special present from Santa.
Me too. We can both fly.
We can fly. And I got another special present from Santa.
Me too. We can do jump down. We can do backflips. We can spring. And we can do whatever things we want. But he gets us to be nice. He gives us a heart to love.
Yep. And he gave us one more thing.
What?
You don't remember? He gave us the ability to talk to people.
Yes, he did.
Yay! Yay! I can talk to you because he gave me the ability. What about you?
We get the ability too. How? Because when we was dogs, when people used to not have the ability to talk to people, all the people here that's all they hear when we didn't have the ability.
Yep, that's all they would hear. So, now that we know what we're doing, we are going to the dog hotel. We're at the dog hotel, and it's time to get some dancing on. We need to dance. We need to dance. We like to dance. We like to dance. We like to dance. And we're gonna go to Hawaii today.
I'm doing the Hawaii dance.
Whoa, you're doing a Hawaii dance. Look at that, she's doing the Hawaii dance. It's called the hula dance. And me, I just do the floss. What are you laughing at me about?
Hell dance. I did hell dance in the ear.
See, my daughter makes fun of me all the time. For no reason!
I made a joke.
Well, we're going to have to end soon. So, if you want to see something on our videos, please let us know. We're thinking of buying a real dog. So let us go. Tell us if you want if we should get a Maltese or Golden Doodle or a Golden Retriever.
Labrador Retriever are going both sick for the store. So, and tell me in the comments that which dog can get a Maltese puppy and a Golden Doodle puppy and or a Labrador Retriever and a Golden Doodle puppy, a Labrador Retriever puppy and a Golden Doodle puppy. Tell me in the comments. Can you please subscribe?
And we will not be getting a puppy for a while because we still have a lot to do to the house, and we have a cat right now. And that cat does not like dogs right now. So, it will take us a little bit of time, but if you tell us in the comments, we will take your comments and see what we can do. Thank you.
Have a
Have a good day.
good day.